Hey y'all, it's Vanessa and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in collaboration with curlmix and I'm happy to share their wash and go curl kit to show y'all how to achieve your perfect wash and go in only 4 steps. All products in each kit is made with the same ingredients, but you can choose from a variety of different scents that best fit you. For today's wash day, I am using the lavender scent and each product smells so good, y'all. Here is my day 5 old wash and go and is now a hot mess, but we're gonna fix that with the curlmix wash and go kit. First things first, I make sure to fully saturate my hair under the water so it's ready to take in the product. For step 1, I'm using the curlmix pure aloe vera shampoo, and this is meant to clarify and remove buildup from your hair. In this step, I would usually just focus on my scalp, but lately I've been making sure to really shampoo both my roots and my actual hair. This is to make sure my entire head is being clarified. I definitely recommend trying out shampooing not only your roots but your hair too. I've noticed just letting the shampoo run down your hair instead of focusing on your hair too doesn't really give you a full clean. It's something different I've been trying, but I've been loving the results from doing this technique. Now on to step 2, I'm using the curlmix pure grapeseed conditioner that's meant to hydrate your hair with ultra slip. I can definitely attest to the ultra slip because once I applied this conditioner, it easily absorbed into my hair and made detangling a breeze. Another new technique I've been doing on my wash and goes is sectioning less. So since my hair is kind of at an awkward length right now, I find that it's not really necessary for me to section unless I'm going for super defined results. Otherwise, with the kind of hair I have and with its current length, I can simply apply the product throughout my hair, take my time massaging it in, and be good to go. Along with the scent, each kit is made with a corresponding oil. So my kit is made with lavender and organic jojoba oil, but they have a nice variety to choose from like vanilla berry and castor oil or watermelon and hemp seed oil. So far in this wash day, I'm really enjoying the products. You can also use a deep conditioner of your choice along with this conditioner or after it for even better results. For step 3, I'm using the curlmix pure avocado moisturizer. This is the kit to leave-in / cream moisturizer and reminded me of a much creamier shea butter. This product felt amazing on my hair and provided me with all the moisture I needed to make my wash and go last. And for step 4, I'm using the curlmix pure flaxseed gel to give my curls some hold and definition. Because this gel is made with flaxseed, it's more of a moisturizing gel and will give your hair a softer, less hard and crunchy wash and go. This gel is also very lightweight and did not weigh my curls down at all, which I love. Overall, I really enjoyed using this gel and it will be reaching for it in the future. It was the perfect way to finish this easy 4-step wash day. Once I'm done applying the gel, I always like to add a couple finger coils throughout my hair just to give me some added definition. And that's it, just 4 easy steps to get your hair clarified and moisturized. After air drying and some light stretching, here are what my curls are looking like, super fluffy but also defined at the same time. And I really can't believe I achieved this kind of look in only 4 steps, y'all, it's crazy. So if you saw my last video, you know I haven't been the biggest fan of how my bangs have been looking, so I decided to do something a little bit different and add some flat twists to the front of this wash and go. All I did was pin them to the side and that's it. This is just to get my awkward bangs out of the way and switch up the regular old wash and go look. I love how simple and easy this look was, you guys, from the wash day to the styling. Everything was effortless with the curlmix wash and go kit. Last but not least, I'm going to do a little something to my edges, but after that, the look is pretty much completed. Let me know what you guys think of my little flat twist situation in the front paired with the wash and go. I'm loving it, and the curlmix wash and go kit just really did its thing. If you're tired of complicated wash days that take all day, definitely check out curlmix and their wash and go kits. I will leave a link in the description and in my pinned comment below. I promise you won't be disappointed. Thank you to curlmix for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really hope you enjoyed. Please stay blessed, and I will see you in the next one.
How I love you, keep you here with me.